Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OneDrive is already installed error on Windows. This error can be frustrating when you're trying to reinstall or update OneDrive, but don't worry, it's actually a pretty straightforward fix. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and clicking on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where we'll access the tools needed to resolve this issue. Once your Start menu opens, type in Run in the search bar and press Enter. A Run dialog box will appear on your screen. In the field provided, type regedit to access your registry editor. The registry editor is where Windows stores all its configuration settings, and we'll need to locate and remove OneDrive's registry entries to ensure a clean reinstallation. This step is crucial because leftover registry entries are often what caused the already installed error in the first place. Now, from your registry editor window, we'll be locating your OneDrive registry folder. Start by expanding the HKI_current_user folder on the left side panel. Then open the software folder beneath it. Within the software folder, look for the Microsoft folder and click to expand it. You'll see the OneDrive folder listed there. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the OneDrive folder and select Delete to remove the entry. Don't worry about your files, this only deletes your app configuration settings, and all your OneDrive files will remain completely safe. This is an important step because removing these registry entries ensures that when you reinstall OneDrive, there won't be any conflicting configuration data causing issues. Once your OneDrive registry folder has been successfully deleted, head back to your Start menu. This time, type in Apps and Features in the search bar. An Apps and Features window will appear, showing you all the programs currently installed on your computer. From this window, look for the Microsoft OneDrive app in the list. You can use the search bar at the top for easier navigation if you have many apps installed. Once you locate OneDrive, click on it to select it. From the options that appear below, click on Uninstall to remove the application from your system. Clearing OneDrive's registry entries before uninstalling makes sure that there won't be any OneDrive files remaining in your computer. This clean removal process is what resolves the already installed error, allowing you to reinstall OneDrive fresh without any conflicts. And that's it. You've successfully removed all traces of OneDrive from your system, which should resolve the installation error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.